morning, 10th class students. Take your notes and scale for drawing tables. See, yesterday we discussed about statistics, measures of central tendencies. They are arithmetic mean, mode, median. And what is arithmetic mean and what is mode and what is median we discussed yesterday. One by one. Today I am going to exercise 14.1. Exercise 14.1 first problem. See, problem will be given like this. Class interval frequency. Class interval frequency. It will be given in question in horizontal form. But in calculation, we have taken like this vertical. First column is class interval, second column is frequency, third column is class mark or mid values of the class interval, and fourth column Fi into Xm. See, easiest method. This is by direct method. This is direct method. We can do by direct method. Specifically, he will ask in question. Find arithmetic mean by direct method, by deviation method, by step deviation method. There are three methods. First method is direct method. Second method is deviation method. Third method is step deviation method. I will explain one by one. First, direct method. Since the class intervals are very small, we can do this method direct method. If the frequencies are more in higher number, we can do other method, step deviation method. Now see, note down this first column, second column, third column. It will be given in a textbook, page number 336, page 336. Is a new book. In your book, one number may be different, but exercise is same, 14.1. Now, class interval frequency given. How to write class mark or mid values of each class? Add these two and half. 0 by 2, 0 plus 2, 2 by 1. Here size of the class interval is 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Each class increased by 2. So, go on add mid value 5, 7, 9, 11, 30. After writing class marks, then multiply Fi into Xm. What is frequency here? 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 1. 2 into 3. 6. 1 into 5. 5. 5 into 7. 5 into 7. 35. 6 9s are 54. 2 11s are 22. 33s are 30. easy. This is the first column. This is the second column. Third column. Fourth. See, after writing this, add all these frequencies. This is sigma. Sigma stands for sum. Total. Sigma Fi is equal to 5, 6, 11, 11, 5, 16, 16, 4, 20. Now add this 9 to 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15, 5, 20, 25, 25, 6, 31, 1, 32. 3, 3, 6, 6 to 8, 8, 5, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 162. This is sigma Fi Ui. This is the tabular form. So using scale, you please draw like this. Draw lines. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 classic colors of even draw lines. And the last sigma for sum of the frequencies 20 and sum of the total fourth column 162 sigma sum. Now arithmetic mean by down here. Arithmetic mean AM by direct method. Is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi xi is 162 by 20. Divide. 2 10s are 2 8s are 2 1s are 81 by 10. So 10 is the decimal. 8.1 is the answer. Maintain all equals like this. So arithmetic mean by direct method is 8.1. Note down. The same problem by deviation method. Now, same problem, another method. arithmetic mean by deviation method. Deviation method. See here, deviation. Fourth column, deviation. Di is equal to x minus a, where this is x class mark, a is assumed mean a, and next fifth column fi into di. You see, problem is same. They will give table, class interval and frequency. This is the group of data, and we have to find now arithmetic mean by deviation method. So in the question paper, he will ask find arithmetic mean by deviation by direct method. And one more third method is step deviation method. So specifically he will ask, we have to solve the problem by using this method only. Direct method means to do direct method only. There are 4 columns for direct method. And fifth column, di into fi into ta. Fi into ta. Fifth column. See,
double line.
please note down this. There are 5 columns for deviation method, 4 columns for direct method. For step deviation, 6 columns. No, same. Class interval, frequency, they will give in question. We have to write third column, class mark, mid values. Add lower limit and upper limit and half. 0 plus 2, 1 by 2, 1. And the next 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 2, 3. So you need not do all. Size of the class interval is 2. Then go on add 2, 2, 2, 2. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 30. And go on add that size of the class. Okay. Now, what is assumed mean? Assumed mean is highest frequency is 6. This opposite term, this midway, this is assumed mean A. 9. 9 is the assumed mean. Here 8. 1 will be highest frequency, that opposite term midway. opposite class mark is A. Now x minus A. X means 1. A assume me 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9. 3 minus 9. And 5 minus 9. 7 minus 9. 9 minus 9. 11 minus 9. And 13 minus 9. So here di value is, just I write here to give you place. Now minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4. So this is DA. How to find DA once again I explain. X minus A. X means third column, mid values, plasma. And what is how to identify assuming among in this highest frequency is 6. 6 opposite plasma. So we are assuming this is mean 9. So di is deviation, stands for x minus a, subtract. So x is 1, 3, 5, subtract 9. Now fi into di, frequency. Second column into fourth column. Minus 8 and minus 12, minus 4 and minus 10 and 0, 2 to the 4, 3 for the 12. These are plus, these are plus, these are minus. Add separately. Minus 12, 8, 20, 24, 34. Minus 34. Once again. 12 plus 8, 20, 24 plus 10, 34 minus. Whereas plus 16, plus 16. 12 plus 4, 16. Now, sum of these two, minus 34 plus 16 is, this is called sigma fi di is equal to minus 18 minus 8. And total frequency is 20. Now write the formula. Deviation method, AM by deviation method, is equal to A plus sigma fi di by sigma f. Now what is A? Assumed mean. Assumed mean is 9. A equal to 9 and f sigma fi di is 18, sigma f is 20, is 3. Now write in box. Substitute these values. For writing this table, you will get half mark. Writing the formula, half mark. See, beware of drawing this line. This should be above plus. Now substitute. A value 9 sigma FD is minus 18 by 20. Now 2 tens are 2 nines are. So 9 minus 0.9, that is 8.1. See, in direct method also we get the same answer, 8.1. So this is the method of finding arithmetic mean by deviation method. Since we get same answer, direct method also same 8.1, deviation method also 8. Like this, note down. Next, step deviation method. They will ask in the question, find arithmetic mean by deviation method, by direct method, by step deviation method. Now I explain. First one direct method, second one deviation method. Third method, step deviation method. There are 6 columns. Next time. Note down, children. See, better to use the scale like this. Every problem you have to do, you have to use scale. Next, step deviation method. Arithmetic mean by step deviation method. Step deviation method. Step deviation method. Problem say columns are 6. There are 6 columns, and this is y x minus a by h Fifth column ui and sixth column fi into ui, frequency into step deviation. Up to 4 columns same. 1 to 2 will be given in question paper. Question. Third column about class interval, class mark or mid values, and fourth column deviation, and fifth column ui x minus a by h. H is size of class interval. This is 5. See, minus 8 by 2. The size of the class interval is 2. H value 2. H value H is equal to 2. 2. See, minus 8 by 2. Minus 4. Minus 3. Minus 2. Minus 1. 0, 1, 2. This is ui, fifth column, and the next fi into ui. Multiply these two. Frequency and frequency is second column and the fifth column product. Multiply. Put your fingers and don't confuse. 1 into 4. Minus 4, 2 into 3, 6 minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, and 6 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 2, 6, like this. See, don't confuse. This is step deviation method, important. Easy to calculate. This method is also called as shortcut method. Now, add. How many negatives? Minus 12, 6, 4, 10, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, and plus 8. So sigma fi ui is equal to minus 9. Sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui is minus 9. Now, there are 6 columns. For direct method, 4 columns. Deviation method, 5 columns. Step deviation method, 6 columns. Like that you will draw tables. So in exam they will ask only one method. So you need not do 3 methods. See, formula. Am by step deviation method. Step deviation method. X bar is equal to, this is symbol X bar. A plus formula, A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Now here small a, assume name 9, sigma fi ui, sigma fi ui is minus 9, and sigma Fi is 20 and H value is 2. So you write like this step. For drawing this, for writing this 2 marks, half mark for formula, half mark for this. So definitely you have to write this step. The values of the terms in it. Now sub A value 9 and sigma Fi is minus 9 by 20 into H value is 2. So here 9 is equal to 9, 2 ones are 2 tens are. 9 minus 0.9, that is 8.1. Same answer. So direct method 8.1, deviation method also we got previously 8.1. Now the third method, step deviation method also we are getting same answer. Answer will be same. But this is important. Third method, step deviation method important. Please note down and practice again. These 3 methods: arithmetic mean by direct method, deviation method, step deviation method. But in exam they will ask only one method. Calculate arithmetic mean by direct method means you do direct method. Arithmetic mean by deviation method means you do by deviation method only. Solve by step deviation method means you have to follow this method. So according to question you have to solve the problem. Practice. Thank you.